Hello, in this video I will show you how to make Spongebob in Infinite Craft. Now it's a very easy process. So open Infinite Craft, then open the first link over here. Now after that, in order to create Spongebob, first add water, then add wind. Now add water, add another water. Now add earth on wave and merge with lake. Now after that, add fire and create a volcano. Then add it with the beach. Once you will get Hawaii, add earth and water. Then you will have plant. Now add your plant with Hawaii. That will give you pineapple. Now add water, fire, and then earth. Then add fire to the mud. Then just simply add brick to the brick. That will create a wall. And now create a house by adding one more brick. Now just simply add the house with the pineapple. That will give you pineapple under the sea. So now just simply create a fish. So just simply add lake, then water, then another water. That will give you fish. Now merge them and that will give you Spongebob. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.